Fulani community and Miyetti Allah group have been assured that Amotekun is not after them. Amotekun is only after criminals. Fatai Owoseni, special advisor on security matters to Oyo State Governor Seyi Makinde, on Wednesday, says the State Security Network Agency, popularly known as Amotekun, is after criminals, regardless of their ethnic groups. Owoseni, a former police commissioner, spoke on a Punch online interview program. He said Amotekun operatives are not after Fulani herdsmen or cattle breeders under the banner Miyetti Allah group, but are after all criminal elements in the state. There have been concerns of late as operatives of Amotekun clash with herdsmen. There have also been allegations of recklessness and extrajudicial killings leveled against the security outfit launched last year. But the governor's aide said every incident must be thoroughly investigated, urging the public to await the outcomes of the findings. He also claimed that over 95% of arrested kidnap suspects are from a particular group, adding that the Oyo State Police Command was in a better place to reveal the identities of the suspects. You know that these people have been crying over how many months now. Before Amotekun started in the first place, they've been saying, oh, it is after them, they are creating it because of them. Why creating it because of them? Why creating them because of you people? What are you doing? And it is only those who are criminally minded, they will be perturbed. And meanwhile, some people are into other crimes too. So in as much you are terrorizing other people, whatever it is. So now, does it mean if a Amotekun happen to see those that are kidnappers, the kidnappers, so because they are not Fulanis now, they will not arrest them? Is that what they are telling us? Is that what they are saying? So now you are involved in kidnapping and you are caught. So they will not say, oh, because you are not a Fulani person, yeah, you can go. It doesn't work that way. Amotekun is to deal with all manner of criminals, and those who are disguising and those who are who are corporates as well. They will be dealt with. So I don't know why they are always thinking that it is Amotekun is out to punish them or to go after them. Ban open grazing in Oyo State. The Fulani should come out and live in town like other people. In this age and time, with the security challenges here and there, no one should be living in the bush, okay? Just the way Eastern Security Network, dealing with such people living in the bush. The press must be objective. Blackmailing Amotekun is not the best for us in the Southwest. A criminal is a criminal no matter the ethnic. It is not matter of profiling an ethnic. Southern press should not demonize Amotekun. APC governors need to retrace their step and emulate Governor Makinde to put these monsters in place of history. Hence, their political aspirations will be thwarted by the populace. We can't play politics with the life of our people, of course, which they have been doing. They want to be recruited into our security architecture to act as spy and to actualize their interior motives, which they were known for, which is conquest. It will not see the light of the day. They should ask the Seriki in Oyo State if any Southerners was recruited into Hisbah. This is southwest or southern part of Nigeria. They should sound it to their hearing that they are climbing over the leaves of tree in their unbridled ambition. Where Fulani are recruiting now to protect their own on land after condemning outfits from other regions. Let's see where they are going to protect bandits to bandits. No hiding place for criminals anywhere, no matter where they come from. No sensible person or race will condone criminality. Oga, you don't hold anybody any explanation for defending your people from Fulani criminals. Why are officials of Igbo, Ijaw, Tiv, Efik, Vigilante and others not part of joint patrol? Why must the Miyetti Allah group be privileged to join Amotekun in patrolling Oyo State while omitting other groups? This is the partiality that I always talk about. Has OPC ever been invited to join any patrol by Hisbah police in the north? But Amotekun in the south must not operate without the Fulani colonialists. No matter the blackmail, Amotekun is here to stay. All of you with evil motives, you better leave the southwest now, or Amotekun will fish all of una house. Whoever that is going against Amotekun, God will go against that person. Yorubas have lost thousands of lives. Please, like seriously. And some people they don't talk about it. The only thing they talk about is 2023, how they are going to outsmart, or how they are outsmarting themselves. That is what they are concerned about. Thousands of people are dying. The people are just looking at the other side. It's unfortunate. The criminals have started using ethnic cover to protest, and their ethnic supporters are backing them. Simply, everyone should live in the town, not in bushes. It is only wild animals that lives in the bush. They are not, therefore anyone found in the forest will be considered as a wild animal and treated as such. Okay. Amotekun should try Esme for size. When the Esme rehearse, the story will be different. The Esme are in a precarious situation. They either kill first or get killed. It is better to shoot than get shot. Okay. Well, this imbecile, don't worry, your cup will soon full. Your days are, and that of your evil tribe, are numbered. It will soon reach you. You think that only you people have monopoly to violence. Don't worry, violence will soon claim you. It is a prophecy. Just watch and see. I have been seeing this use a condom comments for long. Okay, don't mind him. Monopoly over violence. No one has monopoly over violence. That's just the thing. The question is that these people are always crying wolf. Why crying wolf? And they know what is happening. If you know that your hands are clean, this matter, I don't know why it's coming again. Before the formation of Amotekun, they've been crying that this Amotekun is just created for them, to harm them, to go against them. And they said they wanted to join. They didn't allow them. Now they are coming again that they want to join. Because they believe it is always after them. You can imagine such an audacity and infantry. Well, you don't even supposed to own any explanation, or you don't own any one explanation about the operations of Amotekun in the southwest. We have the right to defend our land. We are watching closely how the host community is treating our people. You are watching. Must you? Well, your days are numbered. We are aware of your clandestine, primitive, Utmanfodio extinct tendencies that can no longer work in the modern day Nigeria. Haven't you had enough daily killings of your people in the north by bandits and Boko Haram? Have you ever visited one of the IDP camps in your area and watched your people in perpetual sorrows, diseases, hunger, death, and lamentations? A larger percentage of you cannot live in your villages again as a result of insurgency. Then I ask you, what war are you talking about again? With this your utterances, God Almighty may not have sympathy. Okay, may God Almighty have sympathy on you people. It is written, the children of the destruction shall definitely be destroyed. So guys, let's hear your opinion in the comment section.